Hey guys, Dedi is here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to transform Android phone into Windows 10. As you can see, this is my Android phone. I already set the wallpaper with Windows 10 desktop wallpaper, and then I'm going to transform into Windows 10 launcher. Actually, this is not the real Windows 10, or this is not real operating system of Windows 10. It's only Windows 10 launcher. How to do that? You just simply open the Google Play Store to download Windows 10 launcher. Just tap here and type Windows 10 launcher. I'm just using the free version here. This number 2 here is the free version. You just tap it and it is already installed in my Android phone. Simply I tap open and automatically my Android phone transformed into Windows 10. You can see here, this is the Windows 10. Yes, I said this is not real Windows 10, it's only launcher of Windows 10. And we can do anything just like we do in Windows 10. For example, I want to open the application. I just tap the start menu here in the bottom left corner, and then the list of the application of my Android phone is so here. We can also pin one or some application into start menu on the right here. For example, I want to pin Lightroom here. I just tap and hold, and the menu here we can choose pin to start and choose the position in the play and explore position or in the application position. Maybe I want to choose the play position. Yeah, you can see here, this is the Lightroom is the set in the application position in the start menu. Okay, now I tap the desktop to close it. We can see on the bottom, you can see on the bottom is taskbar, just like Windows 10 said, called taskbar. After start menu, we can see search menu here. If we tap the search menu, we can search anything. We can search data, application, or we can also search directly into internet also. And then we can see SMS or short message. We can also call. We can tap phone and we can see the contact. We can see the recent contact, phone, coming call or outgoing call. We can tap keypad just like Android do. For close, we just simply tap back. Okay, can also search Google search. We can type here, or we can tap in the taskbar icon here. This is the Google search. Over here we can see recent apps, recently application open. And then in the taskbar we can also see the information about the date and the time. And then on the right corner, if we tap the screen, we can see the notification. But here in my application, this is not activated, so there is no notification. Can simply back, or we can see the quick setting here. Maybe we can on or off the Wi-Fi. We can choose the aeroplane mode and so on. If we tap in the desktop, we tap and hold in the desktop, you can see the menu over there. Can change theme, we can change wallpaper from camera. Maybe we can take a wallpaper from Windows 10 themes, or we can take from the gallery. We can also change the color here. We can also add some widget here, widget on the system or on the launcher, and also we can choose on or off the desktop icon. For example, I want to set the recycle bin off, and then I tap OK. So recycle bin is disappear. To take it back is simply we just tap the desktop icon again, and then we set it on and tap OK. How about to open the application? Yeah, just simply like we do in Windows 10. We just tap the start menu here, and then we choose the application. For example, I want to open real drum. I want to play drum here. Okay, this is drum. Okay, to close it back, just simply tap back. Actually, this is not close, it's only what is it, minimize, and etc. We can do anything just like we do in Windows 10. But like I said, just as I said, it is not a real Windows 10 operating system, it's only Windows 10 launcher. Okay guys, I think that's all. I hope this video is useful, and thank you. Bye bye.